Hi, welcome to a Fusion 360 video tutorial. I want to do the Airblade now in Fusion. So first I need some planes. Let's make it parallel to the XY plane. First should be 7.5. The next one should be 19.5. Then one at 127, and maybe one which I don't really need at 147. Yeah, just in case. Okay, now let's start with a sketch on the first plane. This should be a rectangle. Maybe let's hide these and these as well from the moment. That's a rectangle. Or are there any other rectangles? Let me take a look. One with center, that's more like it. And this one should be 20 by 13.2. Leave the sketch. Okay, let's make our second sketch on plane 2. Yeah. Maybe hide this one. Okay. And I need a line. This should be a construction line, and the length should be 24. That point should be on that line, and the distance from this point to that point should be 12. Then project the axis into the sketch, so that would be project include P, the y-axis, and confirm. Make this for construction only. Yeah. Give it a dimension from this one to that one. And this should be not 40 but 30 degrees. Then I need two circles. One right here. That's not needed. So a circle right here, 1 in diameter. And another one on the other end, which should be 2 in diameter. Okay. Now another circle, diameter 50. Move this one over here, and another circle again with 50 diameter. Move it like this, and now use tangency. Where is it? Tangency. From that circle to this one, from that circle to that one, and on the other end as well. These two and these two. Now I can trim. Press T for trim. Trim this circle, that circle, this element and that element, and the same on the other end. Trim, trim. Now I want to reuse this element, so I go for a Windows select and select them, press Ctrl C for copy, stop this sketch, make another one, go to a new sketch on the plane 3 and just paste it there, Ctrl V, confirm. So this will not work, so just delete it afterwards. So let's hide this sketch and edit sketch 5. Okay, another trim, this one and that one, and this one and that one. Stop the sketch. Hide this sketch and edit that sketch. I still need an axis, so we'll project it once more. Make this for construction. Give it a dimension. The dimension should be 10 degrees. This one should be 60. And this should be deleted. And I need another circle. And diameter should be 100. Now let's move this one over here, yeah, and again make it tangent. These two and those two. Okay, now let's trim T. Okay. Okay, and okay, stop this sketch. Let's show all the sketches. Nice. Maybe I should do some extrudes here and there, same as I did in NX. So I make extrude with this sketch, but it should be the other side. No. Like this. Distance doesn't matter, let's say -10. And another extrude with that sketch, and again maybe 10. Okay, so now make a loft. Go to loft, choose this edges, then you can go for tangent to that surface and choose the other one. Next sketch, this one. And I could have made their extrude as well. Here go for direction. And it should be normal to the plane. Let's move these points. Over here one. Next one up to this point. This one down below to that point, and this should be ready on the right. I'll just move it a little bit and check and confirm. Yes. And I could hide this extrude. So let's check bodies. That's body. This I could hide this one. another loft from this edge chain to that one. Looks good, yes. Make it tangent, make it tangent. And confirm. Now let's hide this body. And check this loft once more. Yeah, it's okay. Now I would need my plane 4 and put there a sketch and a point. It's just a point right in the middle, and stop this sketch and show sketch. This was sketch 6. Don't get annoyed by the numbers because I had to delete some in between, which I didn't show in the video, so my numbering is not the same as yours. That was sketch 1, sketch 2, sketch 3, sketch 4. Now I need a plane, and this plane should be through 3 points. Okay, first point, second point, third point. And then make a sketch right on that plane. And I need here the intersection points. So go to intersect, and I want to intersect this arc with my sketch plane, and again select that arc with my sketch plane. Okay, now I can do an arc. Go for a 3-point arc. Yeah, from this intersection point to that intersection point, and then maybe like this. Okay, now I need a construction line which goes from this point and is horizontal aligned. So no, not horizontal, but it should be on this edge. So let's do it like this. Make a new line and make it parallel to that silhouette, and that's, I think, horizontal. Yes, this line should be for construction purpose only. And now make that line here, not make it tangent that line and that circle, and stop this sketch. Now I want to make a loft, therefore I would need that arc here and that arc over there. And I could try to use the edges, but I think I will not get them. So let's hide this sketch. No, not this one, but sketch 6 for the moment, and sketch 7 I don't need anymore, so I can hide it. And I could try to catch this, but I think it will not work. But let's try. Go to Loft, and let's Let's take a look. Profile. I just can catch the profile, but I will get the whole profile. I don't need the whole profile. But deactivate chain selection and remove this one and try it once again. So it's no chain selection. Yeah, but still I get the whole one. So I will make another sketch on plane 3, and then we'll just include the arcs. So let's go for project or include. Maybe it will. Let's see, if I go for include, it will take the complete one again, so I will go for project, and then I should be able to select just the arc. No, it's not possible to select just the arc. That's really no good. So let's show the sketch. This one, no. That one, okay. And try to get only this arc, and that's possible. So I should be able to do it without sketch as well. So let's maybe delete this empty sketch. Or it wasn't empty. No, it was empty. That's okay. Let's try once again. Go for Loft, and if the sketch is visible, maybe I could just select the arc. That's possible. Okay. And catch this arc. Okay. And give it as guide this curve. That's nice. Make that direction and make this direction as well, and confirm. Now I will stitch these two together. So go for stitch, make this surface. I could add this surface as well, and that one, and confirm. And now I can, let's hide the sketches, close these gaps, because there is a boundary fill. And with this one I can make, or is it a patch? No, it's not a boundary fill, it's a patch. Sorry, it's a patch. So go for patch and don't enable chaining. Select that edge and this edge. It will fill the hole, and you can go for tangent. So you get a nice continuity from this surface to that surface to that surface. Confirm. Same on the other side. Another patch. Select this edge and that edge. And again tangent and confirm. Very nice. Then stitch them together, this one, that one, and the one down below, and confirm. Now I get a really nice surface. Now I could patch this end as well. So go to patch. Okay, confirm. And that's wrong, because it's still on tangent and that should be connected. Yeah, now stitch these together and confirm. Now I could make a circular pattern, so go for create pattern and make a circular pattern, and I want to pattern this body, and the axis should be, I think it's the X. No, it's not X, it's, yeah, it's X. X-axis. Make it 2. And confirm. Yeah, looks nice. Or is it? Just take a look. If it was the right axis, hard to see. That looks good. No, I think I took the wrong axis. Really? So go back to the circular pattern and it's the red one. It's this one, and the red one is not this one, not this one, it's X. Yeah, okay. It's really hard to see. Good, another sketch on that plane. Yeah. I need a circle. Diameter should be 25. Stop the sketch. Make an extrude. And this should be symmetric. And distance should be 13.3 divided by 2. Then patch on this side. Make it connected. Confirm. And you could try to patch this with curvature, but this doesn't look as good as I want it to be. So see, you could do this with curvature, but that's not enough. So I will do another loft. Therefore I need a sketch and another plane. So go for a plane, which should be from this one, okay, in that direction, and make it, let's say, 20. 20 is okay. Confirm. Now let's make a sketch on that plane. This should be a circle right here, and diameter should be, let's say, 1. Okay. Stop this sketch and patch this one. Okay. And now let's make a loft. And loft, and I want to use this edge, make it tangent, and use that edge and make it also tangent. This looks good. Confirm. Now let's stitch them together. So go to stitch, and I want to stitch that surface, this one, and of course the one at the bottom. And confirm. Very nice indeed. And now I could make a union between these three bodies. So let's go to model and go to, where is it? Nope. Combine, there it is. And combine this one, that one and this one, and confirm. Yeah, and I'm done. So hope you enjoyed this video as well. If you want to see more Onshape videos, give it a like down below or just leave a comment. See you to the next one. Bye bye.